This is not right. Are we lost?
Lost? No, Arthur. It is just a new road.
A new road? Wow! I love to discover new places.
Leo is sleeping. He feels completely safe here.
I am scared. The famous museum is not here.
Look at the board! We are going to the suburbs!
The suburbs? Is that a secret ancient place?
Take a deep breath, Arthur. The trees are very beautiful.
Beautiful trees, yes. But I feel very nervous and stuck.
We can ask the driver. We do not need to worry.
Ask the driver? But I do not speak well.
You are brave. Just use simple words, my dear.
Yes, Dad! Be brave! Find the treasure map!
Okay. I will be brave. I have the map.
One step forward. The driver looks very kind.
Nice map, mister.
Thank you. Just a map.
Hello, sir. Excuse me, please. Hello there. How can I help you today? We are lost. Does this go to the museum? Lost? No worries. This bus goes to the suburbs.
To the suburbs? But my map says the museum is here.
The museum? Ah, you are on the wrong bus, my friend. The wrong bus? Oh no! We are totally stuck here.
Look at the sun. It is a beautiful afternoon.
Do not worry. You are safe. You just go off here. Go off here? Thank you. I am glad we asked you. Cross the street. Take bus number 10. It is easy.
Bus number 10. We cross the street. Thank you very much. Clara, Mia, I have the secret directions. Let's go.
The secret directions? You did great, Arthur. I am very proud.
Wake up, Leo! We have a new mystery to solve. A mystery? Where are we? Are we at the museum?
No museum yet, Leo. We are on a special treasure hunt.
Say goodbye to the driver, kids. He is very kind.
Goodbye! Goodbye, nice driver.
Have a safe trip.
Step 1, we are here.
The air is very nice.
Watch your step, Leo. We are finally off the bus.
Look over there. That is our next stop. I see it.
You see it? Wow! It looks like a secret base, Dad.
We look left. We look right. We stay safe.
Stay safe. I am holding your hand, Mom.
You can cross now. Whew. Take your time, family.
Thank you, sir. Come on, everyone. We walk together.
Walk together. We are crossing the secret white lines.
We made it. This is the new bus stop.
The new bus stop. We did a great job.
A great job. Step 1, breathe. Step 2, enjoy.
Step 2, enjoy. My small legs are resting now. Look at this old poster. Is it a mystery? A mystery?
No, Mia. It is just bread. Yummy.
Just bread? But bread is a good treasure.
A good treasure indeed. Look, a bus is coming.
A bus is coming. Is it bus number 10?
Yes! It is bus number 10. We found it.
We found it! The big giant dragon is here!
Hello! We want to go to the museum, please. To the museum? Yes, come in. Welcome, safe family.
Welcome. The sunset is beautiful. Let's go home now.
To the museum. Thank you for the safe ride.
Wow! The dark evening is beautiful! A new adventure! A new adventure. But I am very sleepy now.
Very sleepy. Just rest your small eyes, dear Leo.
The map goes away. I feel very proud tonight.
Very proud tonight. We solved the great mystery together.
First, we went the wrong way. We were lost.
Yes, we were lost. We felt a little stuck.
A little stuck. But then, Dad was very brave. Very brave. And we walked across the safe street.
Look at the city. It is so very beautiful.
Very beautiful. It looks like a giant, glowing treasure.
A giant glowing treasure. Yes, we discovered it together.
Look at the board. Read the new secret word.
M-U-S-E-U-M. The museum. The museum. We found the museum.
We found the museum. We are finally here, Arthur.
Finally here. Good night.
Good night, little explorer. The journey is almost perfectly over.
Good night, little explorer. The journey is almost perfectly over.
The journey is almost over. Our treasure is here.
Wake up, dear. Our treasure is here.
Our treasure is here? Wow, it is very big.
Very big. Let's go discover the ancient secrets inside.
Ancient secrets. I am ready to run and explore.
Explore safely, Mia. Thank you for the great ride, driver.
The great ride is over. Enjoy your beautiful night, family.
Beautiful night. The air is so fresh and completely peaceful.
Completely peaceful. This building is the biggest treasure ever.
The biggest treasure ever, Mia. We are finally here together.
We're together. Look at the bright stars in the sky.
The bright stars are beautiful. Everything is perfectly fine now.
Perfectly fine. Let's go open the giant secret wooden doors.
Secret wooden doors. Follow me, my brave little explorers. Brave little explorers. Getting lost is sometimes a great adventure. A great adventure. When you feel nervous, do not worry.
Do not worry. Just smile.
And ask a friendly person.
Ask a friendly person. Excuse me, where is the museum?
Where is the museum? Keep it simple and stay brave.
Stay brave. Look at this wonderful treasure, my dear family.
Wonderful treasure. The ancient bones are so very big.
Very big indeed. We discover great secrets in this place.
Great secrets. Look at this beautiful blue glowing rock, Mom.
A beautiful glowing rock. You found a wonderful treasure, Leo.
A wonderful treasure. Today was a very fun, brave adventure.
Brave adventure. First, we were lost and felt very stuck.
felt very stuck. But then we asked the friendly driver.
The friendly driver. We asked him, and we were safe.
We were safe. And we crossed the wide street together.
Crossed together. We used our simple words and stayed brave.
Stayed brave. Now just look at the beautiful bright moon.
Bright moon. It is like a giant, shine silver treasure. Silver treasure. The moon is nice, but I am tired.
I am tired too, Leo. We had a great adventure.
A great adventure. It is time to go safely home.
Go safely home. We can discover more new secrets tomorrow.
More new secrets tomorrow. We are a very brave family.
Brave family. You can be brave too when you travel.
When you travel, just remember, excuse me, please, thank you.
Thank you for joining our fun, brave adventure today.
Always remember to stay peaceful, calm, and completely brave.
Completely brave. We will discover many more secrets tomorrow.
More secrets tomorrow, Mia. You are a true explorer.
A true explorer. We are very proud of you. We are very proud of you too. Good night, explorers.
Sleep well and dream about your next beautiful treasure.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.